Trade crypto time. Don't waste your time. Trade XRP. XRP has the circulant supply of 54 trillion. Don't waste your time. Are you stupid? Take a look this. We trade this coin right here, JASMY coin, and you made over 160% profit. In order to find those pump, guys, my soft is track volume spike plus buyer power. Take a look this, guys. JASMY coin position rank 109. Pay attention right here. On February 8th, the volume of this coin was $33 million. The volume spiked to $162 million. The volume spiked 10 days before the pump. That's what happened. Before the pump and price, there is the pre-pumping volume, guys. So I shared this trade at the private release on February 13. We bought this coin for 0.006 and you put a sell order up here, 0.016. Amazing returns, guys. Take a look at those coins I share in the private list on the last 5 days. We trade JASMY coin, PaLM AI, OpSec, COTI, Spell token, Ultra, EpiK protocol. It's all about to track the volume, guys. Let me give another example here. COTI, exactly the same strategy, guys. Position the rank 211. Let's go down right here. Pay attention to spike pump. February 8, the volume of this coin was $14 million. Volume spiked to 179 million. That's what I'm talking about. You need to track the volume to track the trend, guys. I shared this trade in the private release. COTI, we made over 120% profit. On February 21, we bought this coin for 9 cents and you put a sell order up here, 21 cents. Our order gets filled today. Over 120% profit. Another coin I share in the private list is Spell token, guys. Position the rank 354. Amazing return. Exactly the same strategy. Right here, February 10, the volume of this coin was $4 million. Volume spiked to $107 million. Look at what happened the last 2 days. The price spiked, guys. If you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you and you provide 25% per week. Look, Spell token. On February 19, we bought this coin for 0.0006 and you put a sell order up here, 0.001. Over 60% profit. Guys, I share all my trades in the private list. All you gotta do is to copy my trades. Also, I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos. We track them 24/7. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 25% per week. Take a look how many coins I share in the private list on the last 2 weeks. We are tracking 3,000 coins. Tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Takes your time. Have a beautiful day.